Are you looking to create immersive experiences, develop innovative games, or streamline your application development? You've come to the right place. Welcome! In this video, we'll explore how Unity and Aaryavarta as your expert partner can transform your vision into reality. This content is for businesses and creators seeking a powerful, versatile development platform and a reliable partner to navigate its complexities. Unity is a leading real-time 3D development platform used to create games, apps, and immersive experiences across various industries. Unity provides a powerful ecosystem of tools and features, allowing developers to bring their ideas to life with stunning visuals and interactive functionality. At the heart of interactive entertainment, Unity empowers game developers to build captivating worlds and engaging gameplay. From stunning graphics to intricate physics, Unity offers the tools to craft immersive game experiences that resonate with players. Many game developers face challenges like cross-platform compatibility, optimization, and asset management. Unity addresses these by providing a unified environment for seamless development. Beyond games, Unity's capabilities extend to creating robust and high-performing applications for various platforms. Unity enables efficient development of cross-platform applications, saving time and resources while ensuring a consistent user experience across devices. From interactive educational tools to enterprise applications, Unity streamlines the app creation process, allowing for rapid prototyping and deployment. Step into the future with Unity's unparalleled support for augmented and virtual reality experiences. Unity is the go-to platform for developing groundbreaking AR and VR applications, delivering truly immersive and interactive experiences. Challenges in AR/VR, such as performance optimization and hardware compatibility, are effectively managed by Unity's robust framework, ensuring smooth and realistic interactions. Unity's versatility transcends traditional boundaries, finding innovative applications in diverse industries. From architectural visualization and engineering simulations to medical training and automotive design, Unity addresses unique pain points with tailored solutions. Unity delivers tangible benefits, including enhanced collaboration, realistic simulations, and improved decision-making, leading to measurable outcomes for businesses. This is where Aaryavarta comes in. We are your dedicated Unity Solutions partner, bringing expertise and innovation to your projects. Aaryavarta combines deep technical knowledge with a client-centric approach, ensuring that your Unity projects are not just completed, but optimized for success. We focus on delivering outcome-oriented solutions, ensuring every project aligns with your strategic goals, resulting in tangible business value. Ready to transform your ideas into reality with Unity and Aaryavarta? Partner with Aaryavarta to leverage the full power of Unity. Let us guide you through every step of your development journey. Contact us today for a personalized consultation. Let's build something extraordinary together. Explore more. www.aaryavarta.com. Call us +91 96 576 02020. Email us info@aaryavarta.com.